guys, welcome to my channel Easy Craft with Jyoti. I hope you are killing out there. So today I'm gonna make 9 different quilling shapes and these are just made of a loose coil. Yeah. And if you don't know what a loose coil is, so go and check my previous video in my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. These were some quilling shapes made of loose coils, and did you see how easy it was? So this is all about today's video, and if you think I made it easy for you, so give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Keep learning, keep doing great things, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video very soon.